Recovering barely 2 months after the torrential downpour caused by the major flooding, the Western Division was again at the receiving end of Mother Nature's forces. As Madhi Tamana reports, families had to once again make way as floodwaters spilled through the towns and cities of the West.
It has been described by many here as one of the worst floods to hit the Western Division. This following the torrential downpour in the last 19 hours left residents scurrying to shelters on high ground as early as 4 a.m. today.
It really caught us by surprise of what happened this morning. Actually, I woke up and then I called police emergency at 3:48 a.m. to tell them that water was rising. We need help. And the lady at the charge room said, yes, we're on our way. So I thank the police department for that. And also with Fire Brigade, we are here now in Lobu Sangam. With me, I just remember, I just packed my other special documents, my wheelchair, and myself. I said I could make it to the Fire Brigade, but then they said, no, we'll put you in the stretcher.
Over 100 hut residents in Lobu along the King's Highway in Lautoka have been billeted at the nearest evacuation center at Lobu Sangam School as police and fire evacuation teams continue to respond to emergency calls.
This flood is one of the worst I have seen since I've been teaching here for the past 20 years. A very, very bad one.
Reddy says they had opened 6 classrooms for the evacuees and would open more if the need arises. The youngest evacuee was 2-month-old Daniel Salanrao, oblivious to everything happening around him as the older generation prepared hot brews and the little food they were able to bring with them to feed their young. Most of the evacuees didn't have time to pack their belongings and food, while some opted to stay back in their homes to secure their personal belongings.
I think right now with the children that we have, it's the food stuff.
Meanwhile, areas around Vitongo and Naviango were clearly underwater. FIJI One News found a roof of a house on a roadside, submerged homes, curious onlookers, and some who had to take a breather in the midst of rising waters. The Western Division's DISMAC team met early this morning at the Commissioner's office to map out plans on how to set out a coordinated approach in responding to emergency calls and keeping a tab on the latest developments. Meanwhile, the King's Highway from Yalelehu to Mba town is closed to all traffic, while Nandi and Singatoka towns are underwater. Madhi Tamana, FIJI One News.